In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Outlook on an Android device. Start by installing the Outlook app from the Google Play Store. Once installed, open it, and you'll see a welcome screen confirming you're in the right place. Tap Add Account to connect an existing email address. If you need a new email, choose the option to create a new Microsoft account and follow the prompts, making sure to choose a secure password. If you're adding an existing account, select Google when Outlook asks what type of account you want to connect. This tells the app that you're using Gmail or a Google Workspace address. Outlook will show the Google accounts already on your device. Choose the one you want. If the account isn't listed, tap to use another email and sign in manually. During this step, Android may ask for your PIN, fingerprint, or another form of verification to confirm your identity, which is standard for security. Next, enter the requested information, including your Google password and any two-step verification codes. Grant Outlook permission to access your emails, contacts, and calendars so everything can sync properly. You may also be asked to confirm how your name appears on outgoing messages and provide an optional account label to help you recognize it later. Review any consent screens and tap Allow so Outlook can function fully. When the setup process is complete, Outlook will begin syncing your inbox. Give it a moment to load your messages. Once synced, you're ready to read, reply, and manage email directly from the app. If messages don't appear right away, make sure your internet connection is stable and try again. That's all it takes to set up Outlook on Android. Install the app, add or create your account, approve permissions, and let Outlook sync your data.